Hello everyone, in this video we will teach you how to highlight the active cell, the active row and column. For example, if you are here outside of your table, so it will just select the row, but if you select in table, so you will see that the active column and the row is selected. Look at. So let's implement this. How to do it? Okay, to highlight the row and column in a table. So let's move to a table. For example, this is a table with us. First of all, select your data. After selecting that, move to conditional formatting. Come here to the new rule. After that, select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And write here a formula. The formula is we will use equal sign, then our function. In our function, we will just use the cell. Open the parenthesis, inside the parenthesis, write just a column, okay, col column, close the quotation, close the parenthesis, then if it was equal to with column function. After that, comma, we will use comma, then write again this function. Okay, this one, let's copy this cell, col is equal to with column. Paste that. And now here we will write row, quotation, row equal to with row. Close the quotation and close the or function and come here to the format. I will just paste this function, okay, this formula in description. Don't worry for that. Come here to the format, and for example, I want to highlight that like blue color. Press OK and press OK, right? By default that is selected, okay, the first row and the first column. But if you select here and press F9, but we so I have pasted this code. Okay, look at private sub. This is the code that you have, this code in the description. After pasting this, close it and close it also. Let's now check it. Look at, automatically it will become like that. So that's how we can highlight row and column in a table in MS Excel. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.